新年快乐! Happy New Year! I think that it's a great celebration of Chinese culture, and especially as we approach the Spring Festival, it's really great to be able to participate like this. It's my first Spring Festival in Incheon. I really wanted to stay and enjoy Spring Festival here. I went to go see the Dragon Boat racing on ice 2 days ago, which was really great, so I just plan on doing different things with my friends and relaxing a little bit.
祝大家新年快乐！我学韩语2-3年，我特别喜欢中国文化和中国的汉字，我很对这个感兴趣，就是想知道这个过程怎么样？因为在俄罗斯，我们的信念完全不一样的，所以我很期待。